Hey, this is James and here I'm again to show you some Adobe Premiere Pro timeline tips that may help you to increase the speed of your workflow here in Premiere Pro. So the first one is deleting the space between your clips. Suppose you have edited a video and there is a lot of space, blank space left behind, and you want to delete those space. If you want to delete those space manually, then you need to click here, then you need to select refill delete, and you have to do that for all of the gaps. But do you know there is a better way to delete those space automatically just by one click? So you need to select all of the clips. If you want to select the clips, then you need to press Ctrl or Command, then A. It will select all of the clips. Then you need to go to sequence and then you need to click here, which is close gaps. Just click here, then see the magic. The gaps have been closed automatically here in Premiere Pro. So that is a very interesting way to delete the gaps in between your clips. Now the next one, this is a clip that I have used on my project, but I want to use a better version of this clip. So if you are working on a big project where you have used thousands of clips, finding the clip in your project panel will kill a lot of time, right? To find it out very quickly, just right click here, then select reveal in project, this one. Then Premiere Pro will automatically find the clip for you. Here is the clip. If you want to now use a better version of that clip, double click here and select a portion that you want to use. Then click and drag that version here. So that is a great way to find out the clips in project panel quickly. Now the next one, when we are working in Premiere Pro timeline, then we need to zoom in on our timeline. Again, we need to zoom out on our timeline. So if you are just zooming in and now you want to see the whole preview of your timeline, what will you do? Again, you need to zoom out it just like that, right? But there is a shortcut that you can use to zoom out perfectly. If you just press this button, then it will automatically zoom out the full version of your timeline. So that is a very efficient way to zoom out your timeline here in Premiere Pro. And now the last one, suppose you have edited a video and now you want to review the video project. If you are working on a big project, suppose you have edited a podcast, maybe 1 hour long or 2 hour long, will you watch from the beginning till the end? Will you kill 2 hours of your life? I guess no. What can you do? You can speed up the playback, right? If I just press spacebar, then it will play back the video in normal speed. Then if I want to increase the playback speed, I can just press L key on my keyboard. If I want to stop the playback, I can press K. Again, if I want to reverse the playback, then I can press J key, then it will reverse the playback. Now, if you found the speed of the playback is little bit high for your likings, then you can press Shift and L. Then it will increment the playback speed in a lower manner. If I just press again Shift and L, it will increment the playback speed a little bit more. If I press Shift and L again, it will increase the playback speed a little bit more, just like that. So when you are reviewing your video project, you can use this process to speed up the playback. So that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video and learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, want to learn Adobe Premiere Pro or video editing, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more video just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.